Hey traders, it's 25 minutes past 3 p.m. here in Brisbane on Wednesday, the 22nd of November. And I wanted to give you a quick update and a bit of explanation on my fight card with Kiwi dollar. So first of all, let's have a look on the daily chart and the area that I was looking at and the reason. So I was looking for my offense area to be at this blue line. I like the fact that we had a touch, second touch, and a third touch. Now, on the fight card video, I explained that this touch was ever so slightly lower than this one. So that was a bit of a worrying element for me. And also the fact that when I did the fight card, we were sitting somewhere here. And I mentioned that if we'll go ahead and break from here without compression of price, then what I'll have is that wasted momentum. And I really don't like that. So I was looking for another touch, maybe a ping and then a compression underneath it and a move higher. Now, let's take a look at the lower time frame. So what we can see here, we actually broke, this is the Monday candle. We can see we came ever so close. And on Tuesday, we broke that level without really pulling back, without giving that compressions of price. So if we'll take a look at the information that happened here on the lower time frame, we can see that move toward the level. We just broke through it. There wasn't really any kind of consolidation underneath it. I was actually quite excited by this move over here because what it meant is that we just pinged that area. So I was hoping we'll get a pullback maybe into this level. You can see there's two touches here, but none of that happened. We just broke higher, pull back to test it from above and move to another higher high. But as you can see, we started to struggle here. I didn't like the pullback with this move. I wanted a deeper move in here because that is still a wasted momentum on the higher time frame. So this wasn't enough. Obviously, on a much lower time frame, this is a good move, but on a swing trade, not so much. And as you can see here, we made a lower high back into that level and we broke it. So today in the morning, I was looking at this price action. But the thing is, we got to be careful from the last place that the buyers pushed higher. And as you can see, it got tested and rejected. So I want to see real signs that the buyers are back. So far, the sellers are in control and we're having that bigger pullback. It's not any kind of deeper pullback because if we'll take a look on the daily, we can still see we have overextension, meaning there's distance between where price action sits and its moving averages. So it can do with a bit more of a pullback. So an area that I am looking at would be around here. It's the 0.60. It's also the round number. There are plenty of touches at that area in the past. You can see we also been here before. So I wouldn't mind to have a pullback into that area, any signs that a buyer is returning, and I would like to take it even from that 0.60 because this level has been pinged already. Problem is, hasn't been closed above that area, so the daily couldn't close above that area. That is a bit of a problem. So to summarize, I'm not yet in this fight. I haven't started my striking. I want to make sure that when I strike, my opponent is weak. And at this point in time, it still shows me some strength. I don't want to get knocked out. So I'm looking for other areas, other signs, other element to show me that this potential pullback is over and buyers are ready to take over. If the pullback will finish around here, I would still want compressions of price. I really don't like wasted momentum, especially as I mentioned, is the area up above where the next area of seller's control might be. So I need a good distance to move. So I still like this opponent for a potential fight. I just need to wait for my perfect moment to start striking, and I haven't got that just yet, but I wanted to get this video out to you to explain my reasoning and what else am I looking for, and also to mention that my offense area could also come down into that 0.60 area now. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.